someone camping at the Woodland Nature and Preserve. Hey everyone, what's up? Me Tim. Yeah, see, somebody's got their tent pitched right there. Camping out here at the Woodland Nature and Preserve. I don't see that much out here. About the second time that somebody has done that out here? Yeah. About the second time. It was a couple years ago. But further down, somebody had their hammock and stuff out here. It's crazy. This is a nature and preserve place, not a campsite. Don't know if any of the volunteers that come out here know about it and stuff. I wouldn't want to camp out here. I'd go camping somewhere where there's people and a campsite. Don't any of you agree with me that you would go somewhere where there's a campsite? Yeah, because can't camp all year here in Michigan. Yeah, can't camp here in Michigan all year. That's for sure. Wonder what the deer think of that being up. Probably tripping out. Big time. Big time. So how's everybody's good old Tuesday going for them out there? Well, I hope your Tuesday has been a terrific one so far. How's the weather for you out there on this a wonderful Tuesday? Ours here in Michigan, well, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a sunny one out so far, but we got some clouds moving in, trying to cover up the sun, and I guess we're supposed to get some rain today. Yeah, some rain today here in Michigan. Carbon copy from yesterday. Yeah, carbon copy from yesterday. We had some rain. So we're going to be getting some more today. But if you like me to, I'll send it directly to all of you. Just let me know in the comment box if you would like what we're having or will be having today. So what do y'all got planned to do today on this wonderful Tuesday? My plan started off getting up about a little after 6 o'clock this morning. Rose off the couch and turned the pot of coffee on and waited for that to get done and had me a cup of coffee, and then I got washed up and cleaned up, and then I went to go pick up my son from work. I went to do that this morning and brought him home. Then I had me a bowl of cereal, some Apple Jacks for cereal for breakfast. and some toast with butter on it. And then after that, I decided to head off to the parking lot where I sit and watch trains go by, and seen only 2 Amtrak trains this morning, but no freights. I said, well, I'll leave, and went to Walmart and picked up some creamer, because we needed some creamer, and some eggs, and a box of Hostess apple strudels or something. And then after that, decided to come out here where I take my walks at. That's where I'm at right now. That's where I'm at right now. And after done here, probably good head back home and just decide on what to do. I see somebody busted this thing here. And the people that voluntarily maintain the park, they put this up so people couldn't get in there. Well, it looks like some riffraffs busted it. Get a lot of teenage kids that come out here and stuff. You get a lot of them that come out here and party and everything. So it's probably some of them. Yeah. But sometimes this park does get busy with a lot of teenagers. I don't know why they come out here for, and anyways, there's nothing out here for them to enjoy and like. Just a park, but they all come out here and party and drink and do their natural born thing. Yeah, they do their natural born thing out here. That's what they do. I see somebody put up this porta potty a couple days ago. Came out here, and this porta potty was laying down on the ground. I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen, that it was going to be on the ground. They need to tie it to a tree. That way it ain't going to be blowing down. Well, yeah, probably just gonna head back home and just chill and deciding what to do for the rest of the day. Really don't know what yet, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Like I always do, I figure things out. Find things to do. Yeah, find things to do to enjoy me and keep me occupied. Yeah, I'll be doing that, and just waiting for my son to wake up this afternoon, and then I'm sure we'll both decide on what to have for dinner tonight. I don't know what yet. Last night he got some, like this sloppy joe that you put in the microwave, and some chicken with cheese on it. that's what we had last night with onion rings, so we'll figure it out what we'll have tonight, and when we do, we'll enjoy it on this good old Tuesday. On this great Tuesday. This wonderful Tuesday. This awesome Tuesday is being around. Got some like hawk or something flying up there. Get a lot of them out here. I know the crows don't like them. They don't like those cotton pickers. You'll see the crows chasing them all the time. It's hilarious. It's hilarious to watch crows chase them all the time. I get a chuckle out of that. Seeing your crows chase birds all the time. But yeah. Tonight, probably just gonna chill and watch some TV tonight after eating dinner. Probably watch some of our local news and then the evening news, and then get ready to watch some of my favorite shows tonight on the TLC channel. I love watching and enjoying. Let's see what shows are on tonight. Little People Big World and Seven Little Johnsons. I'll be watching part of that because I have to take my son to work tonight. Yeah, but that's how my Tuesday's gonna treat me today. Yeah, my Tuesday. Well, everyone, hope y'all enjoyed this video here today. And if you did, go thumbs up on it. Share it. If you're new and came along this video, there's a red subscribe button right there, or right there. Click on it. And subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos I got. I got a variety of different kind of videos up that you might enjoy and like, so feel free to check them out. Well, again, everyone, y'all take it easy out there and have a fantastic one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going in to Wednesday, or almost stepping into Wednesday out there, well, hey, happy Wednesday to you. And if you're still in to Tuesday, having a great Tuesday wherever you're at, well, happy Tuesday to you. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a fantastic one. And this vlog is over.